Hello, in this video you are supposed to make x the subject of the formula, and this is a quadratic equation. So to make x the subject of the formula, we are going to complete the square on the left hand side. So we complete the square by taking half of 2a and squaring it. So we shall complete the square by taking half of 2a and squaring it. And whatever we do on the left hand side, we do it on the right hand side also. So 2a independent a squared, and also on the right hand side we will have the same. Then from there we factorize the left hand side, we shall have. So factorizing the left hand side, we shall have x plus a everything squared, which is equal to a squared plus 3r. Then from there now we are going to take square root both sides. So square root of bracket x plus a everything squared is given by. So it will be x plus a, which is equal to plus or minus bracket a squared plus 3r. Then from there we subtract a both sides, so that we shall be left with x on the left hand side. So subtracting a on both sides, we shall have x is equal to minus a plus or minus square root of a squared plus 3r. So that is how we can make x the subject of the formula from that equation in those simple method steps. So recap. So this is a quadratic equation. We make x the subject of the formula by completing the square on the left hand side. How do we complete the square? It is that where you have 2a x, you take half of 2a and you square it. You add on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So 2a divided by 2 is a, then you square a, which is a squared. Then from there you factorize x squared plus 2ax plus a squared, which will result to x. You just take the square root of the value here, which is x in our case. You want the square root of the value here, which is a. Square root of a squared is a, then you square everything, which is equal to a squared plus 3r. Then you take square root both sides. So square root of bracket a plus x squared is x plus a, which is equal to plus or minus square root of a squared plus 3r. Now, then from there we subtract a in both sides, so that we shall have x is equal to minus a plus or minus square root of a squared plus 3r. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on how to make x the subject of the formula from this equation. For more such learning, tune on to my channel so that we may learn together. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.